I don't think it's a viable option to be sticking on Windows 10. If you were to give me your top 5 tips for someone who's looking to upgrade from AVD multi-session.
The top one would be get a handle on your applications that you're running on that image. Reach out to vendors, get support with installations, see what versions they're on and if they support Windows 11. The next one, I suppose, would be have a look at the state of your group policy. If you're using that, is it structured well? Is it going to transition a lot of the settings and configurations that you're currently using in Windows 10 to Windows 11? And if they're not, tidy it up, get the right settings in place. The next one, where's your user data stored? Is it in OneDrive, SharePoint, Azure Files, file server? Where is that? Is it centralized? If you just got to repoint to a different place, or can you just carry on using the same location? It's fundamentally just make sure you've not got any data that's actually being stored on the host itself, which really shouldn't be the case, but you never know.
That could actually be a good point for people. People are still using on-prem file servers. This could be a great opportunity and also sell to the business that, we can move you to SharePoint, OneDrive during this time.
Yeah, because in a lot of cases, if you're not using those services already, you're probably paying for them. Most people are going to have 365 licenses in some shape or form. So you may as well leverage that storage, which is basically bundled in as part of it. And as soon as you have that data in those cloud services, the next time you come to migrate, it's so much easier, so much more straightforward and seamless. That's free. I can't think of another two off the top of my head. I don't know, have you got any?
Yeah, so mine would be UAT, get a core group of users, buy in from management, and get a real good test on it. It's not,
Dave in IT has done a quick test of the image.
Yeah, all the applications open.
I mean, people need to be working in and out of this constantly. And my fifth one would actually be, are you ready to move away from something like AVD? So you might have certain applications that during the period of being in Windows 10, you move to SaaS-based applications. Is there actually a better solution out there? Could we look at scaling AVD down and having more users working, things off a laptop that's enrolled in Intune and kind of right-sizing it? We've got things like auto-scaling and things like that, but businesses change, people come, people leave, shrink, grow. So I think, it is looking at kind of right-sizing the solution.
That's an important point, actually, because I think if you're doing this in a rush because you're trying to meet some timeline or deadline, you don't necessarily have the time to sit and consider those sort of things. In that case, you pretty much rinse and repeat the same old thing you've always been doing. Whereas if you're doing this as part of a thought out strategy, you will, in the very first instance, sit down and say, right, what is it we're looking to do? Is it the right thing? Is there another way? How can we change things or improve things or streamline things to make it better for the business and maybe save them a little bit of money along the way?